So exciting. Alita Battle Angel premiere. Going to London with Nordisk Films for a 20th Century Fox premiere. A red carpet premiere. I'm still a bag lady. I couldn't find a, like, what do you call it? One of those clothing bags. So I had to put my dress in a plastic bag. I totally forgot to buy my bread because I know how this whole Finnish bread thing works. I've had friends that have had fallouts because of literally Finnish bread and shit going down. But this bread thing is like fucking currency to people that live outside of Finland. Like, it's so sacred. Yay, I'm here. Looking for the driver. Where could he be? Huh. Nope. Yes. Hi. Yes, it's very funny, but it's a dress. I will see you tonight. Thank you so much for a lovely ride. Hello. Ooh, it's nice in here. So definitely either need to get a steamer from housekeeping or steam it out hood style in the bathroom. I'm gonna just turn this place into a steam room. Okay. We're gonna let it steam up, get all nice and steamy, and then what I do is I go shut off the water, I let the steam stay in there, and then I go do something else for a little bit so I can just get the full effect and all the wrinkles out. Simple. I want to get a few things. Caesar salad with the seared king prawn. How was the grilled lemon sole? And then I had a question about the BBQ chicken wings. Ooh, the cheese sounds fun. Okay. What is on the cheese selection?
Cheese garnish, let me serve it up.
We're in a Catholic school uniform.
I wanted to know if housekeeping had little makeup mirrors with the lights. I did get a mirror, I did get a lamp, but it wasn't a makeup mirror and it was in a small lamp thing that's attached to the makeup mirror. Instead I got an actual lamp. And another full-length mirror. So exciting. And then I also got my little ticket that has my name on it so I can get into the movie premiere. It's gonna be good times.
I have friends from Israel and Germany
and now I'm enjoying some Moscow Mule.
Also the memorial. People can also donate.
Hi! How are you?
Okay, are you coming with me then, yeah?
Yeah, for sure. You're the best ever. Oh, thank you. We're going to a movie premiere. So I'm going to dress up. Oh, fun. We're going to the Alita Battle
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Battle Angel. Yes, yes, yes. See, everyone knows this movie. Okay. I'm so not getting in this car gracefully.
Yeah, here we go. Red carpet.
So we're going to the Odeon?
Yeah, we can opening night of the Odeon.
So this is crazy. We're at the Alita Battle Angel premiere and I'm having such a good time already and the lights and everything. It's super cold but we're doing photos anyway.
Freezing and
feeling cold as well.
Are you excited?
I'm so freaking excited.
Oh my god, did you see James Cameron?
No. Oh yes, I did.
These seats are seriously like good. Let me see if I can get in the seat. Slowly but surely.
Well, thank you for coming on this nice warm spring evening. So yeah, this has been a 20-year journey for me, and I handed off the baton to Robert Rodriguez, a good friend of mine and a fantastic director. And the film you're going to see tonight is his film.
The incredible new movie, Alita Battle Angel!
Was amazing. I feel so happy that I was able to see that and witness that because it was truly incredible. Ooh, thank you. Ooh.
100.
No. Hi. I'm going down to breakfast. I'm feeling so good. I had such an amazing time last night. It was so magical. Oh, this is so exciting. I am wondering though who's in charge of the coffee out here because I don't see anybody. That's what happens when I come in late, but oh well. That's the lady. How was the movie? Oh my god, it was amazing! Oh my god, I'm with one of my best friends, Naima. I'm so excited. We go so back. Mwah. I'm so proud of her. She's making amazing moves. And now she's taking me for a tour at the BBC, aka her workplace. Hello, girl boss. Amazing.
Oh yeah.
We're recording. This is so cool, you guys.
Oh, you just my type. Oh yeah, she know the deal like scripting. You ain't the first to sell that shit. Champagne with the roof gun. Bump this jam back in Tucson. Think I got to get a move on. Never had much to lose.
Production elevator. And I was like, the lighting's great in here. Which it is.
But I got
it. Let me take a picture of that.
Would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Well, you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex, man. Why you act so extra? Let me
I'm so sad. I'm gonna cry now. It's alright. I had such a great time checking out the new movie Alita Battle Angel. I can't wait to do it again. Thank you so much to Nordisk Films and 20th Century Fox for bringing me out here. I can't wait to come back again. Bye!
She just wanna